Wow, the best and most accurate strategy is here. One of the strategy that will give you something, feed you, keep money in your pocket, and also help you to enjoy yourself in the forest world. If you have ever tried forex on boom and crash, volatility and fell, this time is an opportunity, not just an opportunity, a very huge opportunity for you to step in and grab this opportunity. If you still have something like $20, $50, $200, you are still looking for an opportunity, I mean a strategy that will give you at least 97% of what you need. Once, I mean, if actually what you are waiting for to trade with is strategy, all right, this video is for you. And as you're watching this video, please, I want you to pay great attention because it's going to open your eyes to see what you need. I am not going to waste any of your time. I'm going to go straight to point out some few things. Once you see them, is an opportunity for you because this strategy is about the entry and exit point, what you should look out for. And immediately you see them, it's an opportunity for you to grab the opportunity and nothing is stopping you. All right, let's go straight to the point. Now, you have few things to observe in this strategy. You have few things to observe. Here we have this line here, and we'll have another one here. Please get that. And we have something like this. We have something like this, and we also have something like this. Now, most people find it difficult to place trade and comfortably close with profit. If in a day that you will see a strategy that will be giving you the opportunity to scalp like 5 candles each time you place a trade, and you do it like 10 to 15 times successfully in a day, believe me, you'll be closing with huge profit without any doubt. Now take these few instructions. Number one, the candlestick you'll be using is majorly the trending candle in the day. What do I mean? You will not trade a candle that is spiking. I mean, when like what I'm having or what I have here now is crash 1000. That is what I have here, crash 1000. So, and the time frame I have now is 1 minute time frame. So it will be wrong for you to see a candle in your higher time frame, a candle like this in your higher time frame that is going down, and you enter for it to go up. Is wrong. As it is going down like this, it will be wrong for you to expect it to start going up automatically. That is why your you must observe the support, your resistance zone and your support zone, and you should also observe your trend lines. You should also observe your trend lines to know where the market is actually going, because without knowing all those things, the strategy may be working, but you think that the strategy is not working. So these are some of the few things that you have to observe, you have to know basically. These things are basic things you should know without any obstructions and without anybody talking much about it. I hope you should know that as this market goes down to break this place, which means it has breaking out from the trend lines, which means that it has changed a direction. But if it has not breaking to this place, it simply means that the market will get to this place. At crossing, it will start going up another direction and come again and go back and come again and go back. But how do you know that the market have changed direction completely? Is that the market will break down like this and try to go up again and come down, try to go up and come down, try to go up and come down. That is when you will know that the market has reversed in this direction. So that is what I mean. So please get that. I just want to say this so that you will get the basic knowledge of what you should know in this strategy before you will place your trade and say that I gave you a signal that failed you. So this cannot fail. All right, now let's step into the business of the day. What are the things you are to look out for? And what time frame can you use to place your trade and be sure that this strategy is accurate for you? And all right, number one, once you check on your time frame, on your higher time frame, and discover that the candle is on bullish movement, which means you are sure that the candle is going to close up as a bullish candle. Now you have one thing to use. That is the essence of this strategy. Number one, we have this line here. We have this peach color here. We'll have this peach color. I will show you few examples so that you will understand what I'm saying. Now watch this place, and now watch this place too. Watch this place. Here is 90 line. I will backtest this and show you the proof that this strategy works at least 97% accurate. So if you have your laptop or you have your PC, you have all those things you are using to trade, is an opportunity for you. But unfortunately for now, some of us that are using only Android phone, the indicators, one of the indicators I'm using, this line I am using, you may not find it on your smartphone, but it's possible for you to trade this using the wisdom I am dropping here now. Okay, all right, now watch this. As this thing touches these 90 levels, I will prove to you. As it touches 90 levels, watch what is happening on the main chart. Immediately it touches 90 levels, you will notice that it will start reversing. And as it starts reversing, the market starts changing direction. This is as it starts going down like this. So you have to draw your trend lines. So as you draw your trend lines, because it's possible for it to come like this and later continue like this and come down like this and go like this and come down like this before coming down completely like this. So for you not to make mistake and for you not to lose your hard earned money, what you need to do is watch this. If you watch this, then you check this place. What are these two things doing? Then check your center line, which is when did the yellow line cross the 50? As the yellow line cross the 50 and goes above the 50, the market changed direction from here, but that is not what I am talking about today. What I'm focusing on now is what you need to see before you enter your trade, and watch out because I'm dropping it right away. Now watch, as this thing touches here, is an opportunity that the market is about to go down. But you will not trade from here except you are a day trader. If you are a swing trader or a day trader, you look for opportunities. The time frame you should check is 1 hour, 4 hours, and your day trend. So if the candles in any of these things is making the movement that you would like to trade with, then go back to your 1 minute time frame. I will show you like I promised. Go back to your 1 minute time frame. Now you will see similar things that look as if it touched, but it will surprise you to know that it did not touch. Now look at from here now. Look at from here. I'm talking about this one now is for you to see how you can catch back with it. The market entered from this direction. I'm coming, I'm showing you this thing. So the market enters from this place and drop out from the 90 levels from here. The yellow line entered from here and still swim to this place and start dropping from this place. So when should you enter your trade. When should I enter my trade? Number one, if you are not too sure about the spike, if you are not too sure about the direction of the market, you are not too comfortable, you are not sure that this market is going to spike completely, what should I do? Number one, if you look at this line here, you notice that this line is that same line I draw, which is the trend lines. But look at what you should look at for. Look at this place. If you look at this place, the pitch touched 10 levels. It entered the line. Here it did not enter. I mean, for you to place your trade and be sure, it entered the line. As it entered the line, it tried to make a move. And as it was making a move, it gets to here. Is from here, it spiked and pushed back again and continue the journey till this place. So now, having said this, how should I place my trade? Look at it. Immediately you cited immediately you cited that this pitch has touched this place. Allow it to take a step to come out from the line, enter your trade. Watch from here. As immediately it entered there, it's an opportunity for you to know that what is coming will be massive. It's an opportunity for you to know that what is coming will be massive and will be lucrative. So imagine that you placed your trade from here now. Imagine closing your trade from this place. You know how many candles? Do you know how many candles? So your first TP is as it touched to this place. Your first place you should take your profit is as it touched this place. Immediately it touched this place, or immediately it's getting to this place, you take your TP. Then allow it to go. So that is the first TP. That is the first take profit. All right. Now, as the journey continued again, when should I close my trade? Close your trade immediately it want to touch here, which cannot be that easy if you have the mind to wait until until the pitch until the pitch touches the place again. Know it that the market will remain uptrend. Get that and let it sink into your mind. It may not happen regularly, but it will happen like 4 times in a day. Let that sink into your mind now in your 1 minute time frame. And this is one of the possible ways for you to trade 2 successful candles in 1 hour time frame and be sure. I hope you get what I'm saying now. Your entry point is from here. Here now is your buy. As you enter your buy, remember that once if you check this thing from your 1 hour time frame now, a candle, a nice candle opened a journey. Now from here, from this place now, don't close your trade until the pitch touches the 90 levels. Try it on your demo and prove me wrong. This is how possible and how simple it can be. And how do you know that the market will completely change? As it touched 90, it will start moving downward. As it touched 90, it will start moving downward. And as it starts moving downward, it will be moving a regular movement like what you are seeing here now, like these things you are seeing like this. That is how the market is. That is how the market is. It will continue to move in that direction until the market, which you are seeing here now, will now come back and hit from that place and hit this place again. As it hits again, the next journey continue. Are you see what I'm saying? Are you see what I'm showing you now? Anytime the market hits this place, anytime this thing hits this place, you will not take, and if you don't take anything, you will not take anything less than 10 to $20 candles. Check it and prove me wrong. That is how the strategy works. Where should you take your TP? Take your TP as long as you see that the market has touched this place, close your trade. That is how simple this market can be. It can work on C1000, it can work on C500, it can work on C300. As simple as this. Even on boom, all the booms, it can work on step index, this very strategy. The only little challenge we are having is that the pitch line here, this very pitch line, I'm still making a research to find it on our Android version, which very soon I will find it, and so that I'll be able to give it out for our brothers who are using Android version. All right. So this is how simple this thing can be. So if somebody is telling you that it's not possible for you to Skype like 15 candles or 20 candles, let that person know that it's not true. That I said that it's 100% possible. So try this and see the possibilities. Now let me quickly rush out to give you the indicators so that you the first the first line the yellow line on the main chart is AMA. Please, AMA, and our input is 10 to 30. 10 to 30. So even if you can't see it clearly, please hear it as I'm mentioning it. All right. 10 to 30. That is the input. The parameter is close. The color is any color of your choice that you can be able to identify. Then the common usage is 10 AMA. That is what you do. That is adaptive moving average. That is what it is. Adaptive moving average. That is what I am using on the main chart, so that as the market crosses together like this, it shows me that something is going down. All right. Then the second this thing I am using is now purely moving average, 5 exponential. That is what I'm using, 5 EMA. This one now is 5 EMA. So I'm using 5 EMA. All right. So I'm using 5 EMA, which is this one represent exponential, this one is representing moving, and this one is average. So that is what I am using on this very strategy. And then on the main chart, which is the targeted area, see, even as this thing touch here now, you have an opportunity. This market will not spike and pull you out of the market until this thing get to this place. So even if you are confused and you don't want to make that series of mistakes, allow it to touch here first, which will take you a lot of time. So, but once you have a little capital, you can place with a lower lot size and you will make huge profit. All right, so let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. What we have here now is accumulation swimming index. That is accumulation swimming index. That is A accumulation SI accumulation swimming index. That is what we have. That is this line you are seeing here now. That is what we are seeing here now. So I am making a little research to pull this market out to find out how we can apply it on our lower I mean on our Android version. So far we don't. So this what we have here, the color is peach. You can change it to any color of your choice. This thing is, those things are, they are adjustable. Okay, they're adjustable. Can you see it? So I've changed it to any color of my choice. The most important thing is, do you know the work it does? Now the levels, I don't have any level for it. The scale is general scale, which is the 50 scale per percent. So it's not something that, just use the default of it. Just use the default size of it so that you will not make mistake. Then this have is the relative strength index, and my levels is 10, 90, 50. Then the parameter is 14. The yellow is my choice. You can put your own choice. All right. So this is how simple this thing can be. Anybody can do it, including you. This strategy can work for you, both the amateur and both the professionals. Try this. If you can lay hold on your laptop now, place this thing, try it on your demo and see the possibilities. All right. So immediately this thing touch this place, know it that something is going to drop. Remember that whatever you see that happens on your lower time frame is as a result of the movement of the candle in your higher time frame. I'm just dropping this one for me to show you how you can use this strategy to scalp like 20 to 50 candles. Is 100% possible, or let me not use 100, 99% possible. So try this and thank me later. Try this on your demo, then step into your live trade. But if you are a forex trader that knows what forex is all about, you can use this on your live trade and you will not make mistake. I am grateful to have all my viewers all over the world, my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I am very, very grateful. I am happy because I have you, and I promise that I will never take your patronage for granted. Thank you. I am signing out.